How's it going? My name is Evan over here at I-5 Toyota. Today I'm going to be showing you how the four-wheel drive works in our Toyota Tacomas. So most of your everyday driving is going to be in two-wheel drive. However, when it does start to rain and snow, you may want to put your car into 4 high or 4 low. To go to 4 high, make sure you're in park, go to 4 high. This will put it in 4 high. Sometimes you'll have to put it in gear, like reverse, to lock it in, like I just did right there. So now I'm in 4 high. To go into 4 low, you will be want to driving over or under 15 miles per hour. You'll want to put the car in neutral and then push in and then go to 4 low. And everything on your tachometer and your speedometer will let you know what gear you're in. Thanks for watching. Come see us over here at I-5 Toyota in Chehalis, Washington. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more.